Today we're in Southern California in Orange County, and today we're going to take the Salt Creek Trail from Laguna, Niguel down to Laguna Beach, and we're super excited. About to unload the bikes and head out on the trail, so come on with us. We've got Eric and Rachel and Diane. You ready to go today?
Oh yeah, I'm putting on my sunscreen.
It's a little sunny, beautiful, about 80 degrees.
Oh yeah, it's like has a nice little cool breeze. So ready to ride.
We've never been on this trail before.
Yeah, we'll see what is ahead.
Sometimes they're awesome and sometimes they're not so awesome, but the reviews are good.
Well, at least we're going a distance that's not overwhelming, so it should be very pleasurable.
And it's downhill. If you want to stay at the bottom, then I'll come pick you up.
Oh, well, thank goodness for fully charged electric bikes. We should be good.
We've got Rachel with us today. Rachel,
hi.
Excited for the trip?
I am. We're in California, so it should be a good trail.
Oh yes.
To the beach.
Nothing like the beach in California, but surprisingly cold water. Eric?
Yes.
How'd you like bodyboarding yesterday? A little cold?
It was fantastic.
Really?
Yeah. Just cold enough to keep you numb for when you get smashed in the head.
But you did lose the goggles.
Yeah, I did lose goggles.
So disappointing.
Big bummer.
Almost ready to go. Claire, getting excited?
Point updated.
All right. We've never been on this trail before. We don't know what we're gonna find. Addie, you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah. Harmony?
I'm excited.
Yeah, you go. Emma's getting ready. Look at her sunglasses. Jenny's here. Logan's got his trailer going. No need to cross the road. Howdy. I see a golf course down there. I would love to play that golf course too. I'm sure you can see it. Fairway up the canyon. Oh. Views of the ocean. Ocean breezes. Sweet. Everywhere I go, it's so beautiful to me. All of these creations denote there is a God, and we are his children. You see that golf course view? Wow. Just look at this view, this park. I gotta negotiate this truck. Off-roading. So when I looked up the ratings of this trail, it was 4.6. And I'm wondering, man, what does it take for you to rate this 5.0? because this is awesome. The end of the road, baby. I don't know how many people will want to ride back up. It's a pretty steady climb. Pretty sure I can do it with a load of kids in the trailer. Let's see if we can get some commentaries on the trail. So what's your rating of the trail?
8 out of 10. More downhill could be good. Could be
8
better.
out of 10? How about out of 5? 4 out of 5?
Yeah.
Okay, it's too much uphills.
It was a little heavy.
So do you want to ride back up, or do you want to stay here and wait?
I don't want to wait with children.
Ryan, you gonna go back up?
Heck yeah, we're gonna go back up.
How do you rate the trail?
11 out of 10.
11
That
out of
was
10.
amazing.
There we go. There we go.
Like also
Rosie,
No, that's it.
how do you rate the trail?
Oh my gosh, dude, it was beautiful. The scenery and then along the mountain, I would say 10 out of 10.
Nice. Diane?
Oh, well, if you want hills, there's quite a bit of steep hills, but it was mostly downhill, just a few uphills.
You're gonna be able to make it back up?
I will. I'm not carrying kids. I worry about those carrying kids.
Heading down from the let's see, the parking lot down towards Strands Beach, and the parking is $1 an hour, and there is a free shuttle that takes you
Ooh, that looks fun.
up this hill. You don't need too much help going down, but going up is an effort. Take it from me, because I just came up this hill. But man, what a beautiful place. So the parking is right up there past this bridge. It's $1 an hour, and there's a free golf cart shuttle to take you up and down that hill. One of these houses, spectacular. Right on this park, looking over the beach. Oh my word, how many millions are these houses? I don't know if you're like me, but when I go to any place that's beautiful, I'm like, hey, I want to live here. What would it be like to live here? I live in a beautiful place, but it's hard for me to resist the thought of what would it be like to live here in Laguna Beach, right by this golf course, right by the ocean. So awesome. So I think this trail is just about 4.5, 5 miles one way. So out and back, total of 10 miles, not 10 miles each way, which really for my taste is just about right. Just about right. And I know for Diane's taste, she doesn't want to be gone on a 4-hour bike ride. So I'd put this high on my list of return trips for sure. When in Orange County, want to go with some friends and ride a little trail that's beautiful, a little challenging. Sure, this is very high on my list. Okay, yeah, we're going to Chapparosa Park. Well, that's good to know. Morning or afternoon. Yeah, that. Okay, this is newly paved. All right, boys, you ready to go fast? We gotta pass Grandma. Get ready for a bump. And back to home base. I'd rate the ride 6 out of 5.
6 out of 5?
Yeah.
6 out of 5.
Yes.
That's interesting. Combination. Probably, definitely a 6.
All right. We're wrapping it up at at Diane's favorite place. You can see her
It's one of
line
my favorite ice creams because the fruit flavored ice creams actually taste just like the fruit. I mean, it's delicious. I love the peach. Oh,
Laguna, Niguel, California is the first place we ever came to know Handles. And Diane was instantly in love.
oh yeah. It's super creamy, it has some elasticity to it, and delicious. Gotta try it.
Let's go enjoy them. We'll get some reviews.
I got the frosted animal cookie, and it has Mother's animal cookies in it.
Ooh.
Nice big chunks. They're delicious.
I don't like big chunks because it takes away from the ice cream. I'd rather have ice
But
cream.
I love Mother's cookies.
All right.
And then I had to get the peach. It is so good.
Ollie, you love it? So good. Joel, did you get cookies and cream? Oh yeah. Rachel, what's the verdict?
Birthday cake.
Oh, birthday cake.
That's the best option.
Erica, Blue Monster. What's the verdict?
Delicious.
Cookies and cream. Benji, do you like it? It's so
actually-
good.
Udo.
Hanky. Jenny, what'd you get?
Butter pecan.
Ooh, yeah.